kids, have you ever dropped a ball and watched it fall down? Or jumped up and came back to the ground? Why don't we float in the air? Today we are going to learn about gravity, the invisible force that keeps us on Earth. What is gravity? Gravity is a force that pulls objects toward each other. That's why things fall down to the ground instead of floating away. Who discovered gravity? Gravity was explained by Isaac Newton. A long time ago, a scientist named Isaac Newton was sitting under a tree. Suddenly, an apple fell on the ground. He started thinking, why did the apple fall down and not go up? That's when he discovered gravity. He realized that Earth is pulling everything toward it. How does gravity work? Gravity is the invisible force that pulls everything toward Earth and keeps things in place. The Earth is very big, so it has strong gravity. It pulls everything, people, water, air toward its center. That's why we stay on the ground and don't float away. Gravity keeps the moon moving around Earth. It keeps planets moving around the sun. Could humans live without gravity? If there were no gravity, humans would face serious problems. We would float everywhere, no walking or standing. Muscles and bones become weak. Blood flow gets disturbed, can cause health issues. Breathing becomes difficult. Air and water would float away, so life on Earth wouldn't survive. Without gravity, humans cannot live properly or safely. Fun facts of gravity. On the moon, gravity is much weaker. You would weigh 6 times less and can jump higher. In space, astronauts feel weightless. But gravity is still there. It keeps them orbiting the Earth. Bigger planets have stronger gravity. For example, Jupiter has much stronger gravity than Earth. The idea of gravity was explained by Isaac Newton. After observing a falling apple, gravity keeps everything in place. Planets move around the sun because of it. Gravity can even bend time. This was explained by Albert Einstein. Black holes have extremely strong gravity. Nothing can escape from them, not even light. Gravity from the moon causes ocean tides on Earth. Gravity is not just a force. It controls how everything moves in the universe. So kids, gravity is the invisible force that pulls everything down and keeps us safe on Earth. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.